Hello folks, this is Steve, AB4L. Well, do we think it'll be easy in, easy out today? It's Friday, it's 5 o'clock, a little after. Let's see what's happening. Oh, they're feeding people all the way down the end of the line right here. Yeah, man. People are inside enjoying it. What do we think? What do we think? They don't have people standing out here in the cold. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh, is that car in front of me putting a big order in? Oh, see, the two of them moved at the same time. Now I'm even with this person next to me. Yeah. Name is Steve.
Alright, what can I get for you?
I'd like a #1 deluxe meal, please, with Colby cheese.
Alright, what was the drink?
I'd like to have a Coke Zero with no ice, please.
Alright, what else can I get for you?
That's it for the order today.
That'll be all?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so with the #1 deluxe with Kobe dark cheese, fries, and a Coke with no ice, is that correct?
That's correct.
Alright, would you like any sauce with that?
No sauces.
Alright, have a good day, sir. Thank you for the order.
Thank you very much. Okay, the other person got ahead of me. The other person got ahead of me. They got their order in faster. By the way, it might be 40 degrees right now. Maybe. I got people out here giving receipts. Okay, they're moving. That's a good sign. Now this time I tried to say it so they could hear Steve and not hear Reed. We'll see what they have me ask this time. Yes, it is Steve. Yes, please. Yeah, she got the name right. Look at that, the cars are moving. You won't have to walk this far. You'll just be able to hand it to me. Thank you. Ooh, now, this is where it's always critical. Is it going to screw up from here on? If somebody who's got a big order that they have to go to the freezer out in the parking lot to get the stuff, it's going to take 2 hours, or they keep moving. Let's see what happens. I got the window open. It's too cold. Let's close the window. Come on, line, let's move. Yeah. I like the waffle fries. Oh, here comes the trash. I gotta put it in park. I guess I stopped just at the right spot. Something's holding us up. We don't want the trash guy to get run down. We got big gates there. Look at that. He looks like a pro. It looks like he's done this before. The line's not moving. Somebody put in a big order. Oh, there it goes. Let's see if it keeps moving. Come on, let's go. We want to get out of here before it gets dark so I can find my way home. I'm looking down there. They're handing an order to the lead car, but the car didn't move. Oh, it was handing drinks. Okay, now this person's coming to the next car, giving them a drink. And that person's pulling out of line if they can. They're going. Whatever it was, they got their order. It's that lead car that's always the bother. Oh, that one's moving now too. Oh, I gotta put my window down. Okay, that person's moving. I hope it's for Steve. Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah, here you go.
Thank you. Appreciate it. That's squeezing between my knees. Don't squeeze it too hard, Steve, because it'll look like you pissed in your pants. What did I say? Okay, let's be careful. Oh, you see it's not too busy. Not too busy. Doesn't look like there's too much oncoming traffic. Looks like we'll get around the corner into line 4, moving with the light. Oh, I can smell the waffle flies. They must be fresh hot. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna just nibble on one waffle. I gotta put the window up. I'm gonna nibble. Oh, it's hot and it's delicious. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending anything. Wow. Wow. Big baby for you. Headed home, munching along the way. Saying see you in 73.